everyone, this is Dr. Ava again, and this time I want to talk about something that may resonate with some of you. There are so many people who during their medical school path may have something happen, or for a reason or two, they're unable to go straight into medical school and continue on the traditional journey. Maybe that's you, and if that's you, guess what? That's okay. Life will take turns, and if you are a nursing assistant, an EMT, a medical assistant, or a medical scribe, but you want to become a doctor, this is not the end. You actually have something in your advantage, and that's because medical school admissions committees will look favorably on pre-med students who have had an extensive amount of direct patient experience in the healthcare field. Being a certified nursing assistant, a medical assistant, or any of the professions I previously mentioned will put you ahead of the game by strengthening your application, as you will gain valuable skills and qualities that will help you excel as a medical student. So, if you're currently active in any of the careers discussed, but your dream is to become a doctor, don't feel discouraged. You are actually one step closer to earning your white coat. Yup, your white coat. If you need further help with your specific case, use the link in my bio to schedule a call with me. I am very excited to help you and help your dreams become a reality. Talk to you soon.